Ever pondered on the role electric charges play in the healing process? Well, it's a fascinating and intricate process that we're about to unravel. When an injury occurs, a flurry of electric charges springs into action to mend the wound. This movement of electric charges stirs up an electric current. Though it's measured as direct current, it actually stems from an electrodynamic field, a force that guides the orientation and migration of fibroblasts, keratinocytes, macrophages, and epithelial cells, all key players in the healing process. This field is not static. It changes its polarity after a few days, maintaining the dynamic nature of healing. Since the 1930s, the influence of electric charges in wound healing has been a topic of extensive research. Biological electric fields, which are fields surrounding electric charges that repel or attract other charges, are not chaotic. They are organized in well-defined patterns across vertebrates, invertebrates, and even plants. Disturbances in these biological electric fields have been linked to local injuries, menstrual cycles, ovulation, and diseases such as cancer. Early experiments in this field utilized a sensitive vacuum tube microvoltmeter. This device measures the actual electric field in vivo. The results of these measurements revealed that the bioelectrical phenomenon, though measured as direct current, stems from an electrodynamic field. This field arises from different ions with diverse movements, generating electric fields that alter the distribution and motion of all passive ions in the system. This reveals that the direct current measured is the result of a living, constantly changing electrodynamic field, a testament to the electrical activity of life. A wound in human skin sparks a transcutaneous voltage known as a skin battery. The skin of amphibians and mammals also develops a skin battery. For instance, a wound on a guinea pig's skin generates an electric current at the wound edge. In humans, the average voltage gradient between the stratum corneum, the outermost layer of skin, and the dermis varies according to the anatomical site. Hands and feet have higher skin battery than the back and upper arm. In children, a week after a fingertip amputation, there's a peak current density similar to the electric potential found in amphibian limb regeneration. Furthermore, the microcirculation, both the blood vessel caliber and blood flow, are influenced by electric interactions. Sialic acid on the surface of the red blood cell interacts with electric charges that regulate the zeta potential. This interplay influences the colloidal stability of the blood, prevents erythrocyte aggregation, and ultimately enhances blood flow in the microcirculation. Erythrocytes also release nitric oxide when they aggregate, inducing a compensatory vasodilatation. In summary, electric charges play a crucial role in the healing process. They generate an electric current that stems from an electrodynamic field, guiding key cells involved in healing. Biological electric fields, organized in well-defined patterns, are linked to various biological phenomena. The skin battery that develops at the site of a wound is another manifestation of the role of electric charges in healing. Lastly, electric interactions affect the microcirculation, enhancing blood flow and aiding in the healing process. Truly, the electrical activity of life is a marvel to behold.